Yeah, go ahead. Any other questions?
There's. I think somebody put one on the
Okay, please.
on the messages.
Please say it.
Is it normal to get very sleepy after eating Shabbos dinner? I always try to be determined on reading Torah, but they get very sleepy.
Of course. Our sages said that the Shabbos was created for the study of the Torah, and the rewards for the study of the Torah literally 1,000 times more than all of the weekdays. So of course the Satan is not going to allow you. Now you're going to get you want to get the reward 1,000 times more. Of course he's not going to allow you. Of course he's going to prevent you from learning, right? So we of course we have our approach. What we do, since we know it's all known, like whatever we study today, I am sure that you heard many of the things many times, but to know about it, and even remember it, and put it into practice, two different things. So same with this. That's an amazing question. So for example, my approach is I never drink wine for Kiddush, Shabbos Kiddush, never ever. Even though it says better, this and that, okay, it's better. I'm going to drink only the grape juice. Understand? But if on a grape juice, otherwise, and don't eat a lot of meat. So meat, especially red meat, it's like a person. Don't overeat. So if person overeats, so of course, as we know, the way the autonomy of the person works, right? All of the blood goes to the stomach, right? From the head to the stomach, from everywhere, to try to digest the food, right? And then person that does not have enough blood into his brain, he's very sleepy. So what the recommendation is to have alarm clock. That's I also do. And sometimes, especially in the summer when the days are longer, so maybe have 1 hour nap. So, but 1 hour is 1 hour. 1 hour is not 3 or 4 hours. 1 hour nap, just to get refreshed, and then you can study for another 4 or 5 hours. That's the thing. So first approach: do not eat heavy foods, for sure. Do not drink alcohol. Some people like alcohol for whatever reason, or even wine, even light wine. Don't drink it. Right, and that's it, and then you have the whole afternoon to study. That's the approach that I know that it works.